3, 2, 1. Hey, what's up mga bad boys? Baguhan pa lang kita nito, mag-subscribe na kayo dyan at pin yung notification bell para titik sa mga bagong upload na videos. For more coming this may video, click to subscribe, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment, like, description below. For the race my vlog, Honda CB500 model 2026. Engine type liquid cooled, parallel twin, engine displacement 471 cubic centimeter, maximum of power 46.94 horsepower at 8,500 rpm. Maximum of torque 43.2 Newton meter of torque at 6,500 rpm. Transmission 6-speed gear manual with weight 189 kg. Seat height 789 mm. Fuel tank capacity is 17.1 liters. Brake dual disc front disc brake disc, rear brake disc, ABS. SRP 379 Philippine peso, 379,000 pesos. Engine type liquid cooled, transmission 6-speed with 6-speed with optional e-clutch. Frame diamond frame, front suspension upside down fork, rear suspension, rolling monoshock. Features: throttle by wire, Honda selectable throat control, smart connected o TFT display. And then itong CB siya naka CB500 2026 suspect. Ito yung ano niya, yung features niya ay naka TFT display na siya, at yung dish niya naka 320 parallel twin. And then yung disc niya pala, disc 320 mm floating disc. Ang ginamit niya caliper ay Nissin caliper with dual floating disc, dual disc front and rear, and then shock. Showa fork with spring preload, adjustable. And then features: TFT display, indicator, fuel indicator, and gear temperature, and then color is metallic blue with stitching blue. Is that fuel tank capacity is 17.1 liters. And SRP is 379,000 pesos. Ito yung pinaka bunso ni CB650R na nilabas ngayon 2026. Super 4 to, inline 4 din, inline 4 500cc. 500cc. Ito siya, ang power naman niya ay power 46.9 horsepower, and then electric start is electric. Transmission type manual. Front brake is dual disc. Ground clearance 144 millimeter. Bore stroke 67 millimeter by 66.8 millimeter. Last type with multi-plate cooling system, liquid cooled, compression ratio 10 by 7 by 1, valve configuration, double overhead cam, no cylinder 2, lubrication, wet shaft, no off stroke, 4 stroke, drive type, chain drive, fuel consumption 28.6 km per liter, maximum power at 8,500 rpm, maximum of torque at 6,500 rpm. Kung lagi kan with the ABS, pass switch, single reflectors, shutter lock, backrest, leg guards, riding modes, road race, engine check warning, launch control, stability control, engine immobilizer, anti-theft alarm, wheel lock front and back. Kung lagi ka sa akin na channel na gagawin sa akin channel, don't forget to like and share, subscribe. Click the notification bell for more updates and for more upload this my videos. Don't forget to comment and ring the bell button for more updates and for more new upload this my videos. The safety features and odometer digital, fuel gauge digital, navigator, tachometer, trip meter, display screen, speedometer digital, side stand indicator. Front brake is dual disc, front, left side and right side. Rear brake and disc. Body frame type diamond. Chrome garnish. Swing arm, side swing arms. Type seat type dual step. Electrical, indicator lights, adjustable headlight, head lamp, tail lamp, accessories outlet, weight, height, adjustable seat. Yan yung mga features niya ngayong 2026. At kung lagi ka na gagawin sa akin channel, don't forget to like and share, subscribe. Click the notification bell for more updates and for more upload this my video. See you on the next one. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe Don't forget to follow my social media account, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And 3 and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you for watching this my vlog. See you on the next one. Babush. Babush.